Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy banana bread at home without an oven. This simple guide will help you create a delicious, moist loaf using just a stovetop. It's perfect for anyone without a traditional oven or who wants a quick, satisfying treat. Get ready to enjoy a warm, homemade delight with minimal fuss and common kitchen items. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 very ripe bananas, which should yield about 1 cup when mashed. Also, prepare 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Don't forget 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a small pinch of salt for perfect flavor. Now, let's mix our batter. First, mash your 3 ripe bananas thoroughly in a large mixing bowl until smooth. Next, whisk in the 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 large egg until everything is well combined. In a separate bowl, gently combine the 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, stirring just until combined. Finally, it's time to cook your delicious banana bread without an oven. Grease a small baking pan or a heat-proof bowl and pour in your batter. Place this pan inside a large, heavy-bottomed pot or pressure cooker that has been preheated for 10 minutes. Cook on very low heat for approximately 45 to 60 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean, indicating it's perfectly baked and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.